actually the real 8th part of the journey. That other one was a lie, but this is the real 8th part. So it actually had to stop twice in one station.
Welcome aboard the Southern service to London Bridge. The next station is Purley Oaks. Would customers please note that you can only alight from the front 8 coaches, as this station has a short platform. Please ensure you are travelling in the correct part of the train.
This part will be paused. Wait, this is coach number 9. And also we'll be stopping this video when we get to Purley Oaks for real. That other one was just Purley, so this is Purley Oaks that I'm gonna stop the video. But about 40% of the videos I have on my YouTube channel are YouTube Shorts. But only about 40% of them.
We are now approaching Purley Oaks.
Wow!
Would customers please note that you can only alight from the
We
front
are
8 coaches,
approaching.
as this station has a
No,
short
wait a
platform.
second.
Please ensure you are travelling in the correct part of the train.
Oh, wait.
This is coach number 9 of 10.
Coach number 9 of 10. We already heard it the first time you guys said it. But we're going to be stopping this video when we stop at Purley Oaks. I know it's an awesome video, but we'll be stopping it when we get to Purley Oaks, but we're just approaching it now. Wait.